Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So we are here and I'm thinking we should decorate two of these Crocs in one video just to speed things along since we have quite a few Crocs to go through. So what I did prior to recording, I picked out some of the gibbets that I think would go with the Crocs. So they're both purple, but they both have different shades of purple. So I really wanted to hone in on what will look best for each of them. So for these, I'm thinking this and maybe even this, but we'll see. So yeah, and then for these dark purple ones, I'm thinking these. So yeah, let's get started. Okay, so let's start off with these lighter purple ones. So what I plan on doing is just really putting in the bulkier ones and the ones that I really want for these first, and then figuring out my way after. So I really like this particular gibbet for this pair of Crocs. So I'm thinking, let me see, maybe on the side here. Okay, kind of like this together. There. Maybe like this, maybe putting this here. This is kind of color coordinated. I like this with this nearby, so maybe putting this here. That's cute. Okay, dog mom, maybe on the side here. Maybe having this unicorn here. And really like this near this, so let's do this here. That looks good so far. Okay, I like that. And maybe let's move this back. Okay, let's put this one here near the star. This little heart here. Okay, I like that so far. I don't know if I like this. Let's take this off. Kind of like this somewhere here. Let me see where it would go without it looking crazy. I don't know. I kind of like that. Even though it's taking up quite a few gibbet space, I kind of like it. That's pretty, even though it takes up so much space. What about if I move this to up here? And then this here. Does that look better? I don't know. Kind of like the idea of the star with the star. Let's see. Maybe putting this here. That looks cute there. Okay, what about putting this? Do I like that? It's not bad. What about down here? Okay, that's cute. What about... I don't know if I like that there. Let's move this. Maybe put this here. Okay, I kind of like that better. And then this. I think we're getting somewhere. Okay, do I like this? I think I do. Maybe some of these. So maybe this one here. Okay. Huh. What if I move this one? Put that there. And then put this one here. What if that to look good. And then maybe putting this there. That looks better. And then I figure that seashell near this one. And I think I got it, guys. What do you guys think? I don't want to put anything here or here because I feel like it's gonna clutter it. But I think I am happy with where it's at. And then here it's not gonna fit. Here it's gonna be too cluttered. So I feel like this is perfect. Perfect. Okay, so now let's work on the second purple ones. Okay, so we are up to these purple ones. Okay, so this one is the biggest one and probably the most annoying one. So I definitely got to find a space for this like ASAP. So I'm thinking maybe there. And then we have this bear, which is really cute. Kind of want to put it, let me see. Let me see if it works here or here. No, I like it in the middle. Okay, that little bear is adorable. And since I have a bear there, why don't I try grabbing this little bear and putting it next to it. So it makes sense. And then I want to use these big ones. When I use gibbets this big, typically I like to put them on the top. So let's put that here. And actually, maybe putting that here. Okay, that looks cute so far. Then maybe using actually let's use this PB&J. That's really cute. Kind of like this somewhere here. I like that there. This little heart. Kind of want it near this because it has like the same color scheme. Without it looking cluttered. Let me see. Here and here is going to look too cluttered. Maybe here or even near this one. Let's try here. Okay, that's not bad. Then maybe let's try that there. That looks cute. And maybe kind of like this star. What about putting it here in the corner? Just because I like the way that gray and gray looks. Kind of like that together. Maybe putting this self-care here. Fits perfectly. I mean, it does look a little bit cluttered, but depending on what I put next to the surrounding ones. Let's put a glass of red wine right there. That's kind of cute, right? Looks kind of cute. And then the grapes on the other side. Okay. And maybe eggplant. Doesn't look bad, even though it's like kind of all close together. I don't mind it. Let's see. Kind of like this next to these. Wow. If it's like a puzzle, I don't mind it though. I don't mind it at all. I feel like this would be perfect for this little area because it's skinny and long. Yeah, I kind of like that there. Okay. And then maybe this. And then this here. Oh, I kind of like that. Kind of like that. Okay. We have to really work on this side now. Okay. I really like this stone here. Do I want to put it here? It's kind of pretty, right? Okay. I kind of like that. And then a wine to go on this side. Maybe here on the bottom. It's kind of cute. Maybe this here. And the self-care can be on the side if it fits. Oh, that fits perfectly. And then, is this gonna fit here? Let's see. Wow. I'm pleasantly surprised with this. This is pretty awesome. I think that's good because I really don't want to like squeeze something in there. You know what I mean? I feel like it looks pretty good as is. And so does this side. Like that little hole there is not bothering me, and that little hole there isn't bothering me as well. So let's see. What do you guys think about this? That is what it looks like. Let me know down below what you think. But that little section there doesn't bother me. I kind of like where everything is placed here. And I like this side as well. So yeah, I think we are done. So today we have completed, and I can get rid of these gibbets and put them somewhere to the side. But today we have completed this purple pair and this purple pair. So sound off below. Let me know which one is your favorite out of the two. I'm kind of obsessed with both of them. But yeah, I'll see you on the next video. I'll probably do like another 2-for-1 video like I did today. But yeah, I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.